Hi, I'm Desiree Adams. I'm the owner of Verve Event Co. and we are here at La Luna doing an editorial photo shoot at the High Falls. We're here today to create this awesome, moody, edgy photo shoot that I think Rochester hasn't really seen yet. We have our models, Brian and Kayla. They're our groom and our bride, and they both traveled here from Syracuse and Buffalo. They're actually from further away to be here with us, and I think they're gonna be an amazing addition to our photo shoot. The style of the photo shoot is edgy and bohemian with a touch of moody and Moroccan. The color palette that we use is really great because it kind of pulls in the time period of the photo shoot, which is October, so late fall. And we have plum, dark teal, a hint of copper, and some gray. On the day of the wedding, the bride and groom, I really want them to be able to relax and be present with their guests. I really want them to not have to worry about if things are getting set up the right way or if people are on time. I really want them to be present and focused with their guests. So it's really my job to make sure that I take their vision, work with them to put it all together before the wedding, and then on the actual wedding day, I'm the one executing it for them so that when they come there, they're so excited and happy that I was able to interpret their vision for them, but they can really relax and just be with their guests. What is it?
Do you want pillows for them?
Yeah, let's grab them. Let's do the
Tell me if you want it wide down.
purple.
Yeah,
That's good. So we wanted our sweetheart table to be very edgy and different. We didn't want we wanted to have color, but also still look really elevated and nice. So we have the copper candlesticks to give it some metallic pop. Centerpiece from ID Wedding Flowers with the burgundy and a little pop of like peach. So our menu was created by Lowell Design Studio, and it's on hand-torn paper, and we have these beautiful circular rings made of copper that function as our place card holders with a little hole in the middle so that we even actually have some flowers or some greenery that are peeking out. So it's like a little mini vase. We have these beautiful little plants from the Botanist Rochester to actually add some more texture and depth to our table. And I'm just gonna adjust. I really wanted to have some tall tapers to give height to our table, so it's not just, you're not just looking at the bottom, you're looking at the top also. And then we have our peacock chairs that are adding the bohemian feeling, but then we also have our gunmetal chairs to kind of give it some texture and some depth to the table. Oh my gosh, I love it. So then, yeah, I definitely think I like that you can have
and then
the addition of the overskirt. So can people just it's basically if you're a bride and you want two looks, right? And I think that's really nice because a lot of people want to have two looks where they feel like they're in their wedding gown, but they don't want the gown part, the ball gown part for the party.
On the dance floor.
Yeah. So I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Is this Riley?
this is Riley.
So you're right.
Better in person,
Yeah.
right?
I always liked Riley in person.
Yeah.
I think the Livian would have been really, really pretty too.
But I think this gives us two totally different looks.
Yes.
And
Yes.
This is a new style.
Yeah, I really like
it.
it.
And it hasn't been everywhere yet.
Yes. See, I'm all about showcasing something new and different so that
Yeah.
we're not repeating the same thing
Yeah,
that
I
everyone's
agree.
already seen.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, so we'll do this.
Awesome. I really like it.
They're perfect.
That is just...
Was that your idea or was that
No, that was Luell. They're just geniuses. And that's why I like to tell people, this is the vision, this is what we're going for, but I trust you because you're the vendor. I just kind of bring them all along so that everyone looks amazing.
No, it looks, you did such a
I'm
good
so
job.
happy you
It's
like
really
it.
good.
I think we're gonna get some awesome photos.
I can't wait.
And you just be like, this is what you should do.
Yeah.
Stop using round tables.
Yeah, bring them in here. Desiree's got you. Have her take your wedding over.
I know. I really hope that you enjoyed this behind the scenes take on today's editorial photo shoot to give you an idea of what a wedding planner can do, because a lot of times couples don't know all the different decisions and all the different pieces that go into a wedding because they probably haven't planned it before, and it can be overwhelming. So it's really helpful to have someone guide you through it, understand all the things that are going on, all the different vendors that you could be working with or that you don't need to be working with, to really make sure that you feel comfortable in all the decisions that you're going to be making leading up to your big day.